The anti-corruption watchdog Jamaica Accountability Meter portal, JAMP, is calling for public officials linked to the questionable granting of firearm licenses to be relieved of their duties until further investigation of the issues completed. JAMP says given the severity of the matters, any public official deemed complicit in approving licenses for applicants convicted of crimes and questionable activities should be suspended from presiding over the public's affairs pending the outcome of further investigations. Now, a probe by the Integrity Commission has uncovered a raft of breaches and acts of impropriety and corruption in the granting of gun licenses by the Firearm Licensing Authority FLA between 2012 and 2018. Former National Security Ministers Robert Montague and Peter Bunting were flagged for approving licenses for persons with criminal traces who were initially found unfit to hold a firearm by the FLA. The Integrity Commission described former Deputy FLA Chairman Dennis Meadows' actions in approving the application of a family member as nepotism.